Students, by now we are going to discuss chapter 2, that is your number systems. So in this one we are going to discuss the question and answer. So now it is your question and answer session. So first it is your part 1. Yes, in that the first one, choose the correct answer. Yes, first question. Which refers to the number of bits processed by a computer's CPU? Yes, the answer is word length. The next one. How many bytes does 1 kilobyte contain? Yes, the option is D for you. The answer is 1024. The next one. Expansion of ASCII. Yes, option B is your answer. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. And next one. 2 to the power of 50 is referred as peta. Option is C for you. Fifth one. How many characters can be handled in binary coded decimal system? Yes, the option is A for you. That is 64. Next one, sixth question. For 11012, that is base 2, what is the hexadecimal equivalent? Yes, it is D. That is option C. That is D for you. Seventh one. What is the ones complement of 001001110? So the answer is A for you. Okay, va? It's A, that is the same answer you people will be getting. Move to the eighth one. Which among this is not an octal number? So the series of numbers is given for you people. C is the option. That is, here you are having the number 8. Octal number will not have the number 8. So this is your answer. So by this, part 1 has completed for you. Next you people are going to have. Next we are going to see part 2. In that the first question is, what is data? So the answer is, the values assigned to different variables are called data. Yes, for you people, in your book it is in page number 14. To the left side, last para, you will be having this one. Mark this one. Okay, va? Then come to the next second question. Write the ones complement procedure. So this is your ones complement procedure. For you people, it is in page number 23. There you will be having this one, that is ones complement representation. Mark the step 3. So till step 3 you people have to mark. First 4 lines is an introduction. Then you people have to write down the 3 steps. Okay, va? Yes, the next question. Yes, convert 46 to the base 10 into a binary number. So in this case, that is part 2, part 3 and part 4, you people will be having sequence of problems. That problems will be discussed by end of this part. Okay, va? In this video continuously, first we are going to discuss the theoretical, and finally you people will be having your numbers. That is, your problems will be discussed or solved for you people. Okay, va? Now we can move on to the fourth one. Yes. We cannot find ones complement for 28 to the base 10. Why? State the reason. Yes, the reason is, you people have to write it down in your book itself. It is a positive number. Ones complement only apply for negative number. Then come to the next question. List the encoding system. List the encoding systems for characters in memory. So these and all you people have to write. Totally 5 you are having. So for you people it is in page number 25. So mark these 5. Okay, va? Then next we are going to see the part 3, that is your short answer. First question is, what is radix of a number system? What is the radix of a number system? Give example. For this you people have to move in your book page number 16 to the left top first para. That is your first para you people will be having. You have to mark this. To the next line you people will be having few examples. Mark that also. So number system is uniquely identified by its base value or radix. So radix or base is the count of the numbers of digits in each number system. Radix or base is the general idea behind positional numbering system. You have to mark up to this. At last you people have some example as a heading, and there you people have any decimal number and write it as to the base 10. Like that you people have to write for base 10, that is your decimal. Next it's your binary, octal, hexa. Okay, for 16, 8, 2. Like that you people write any sequence of numbers. The next one. Write a note on number system, that is your binary number system. So in your book it is in page number 16. So this para you people have to mark, it is for your binary number system. So next it is your third problems. It will be discussed later in this video. And fourth one, write short note on ISCISI. So it is in page number 25 for you people. In that, you people have to mark this para full. Since it's a 3-mark question, you people have to write as a whole. Okay, wow? And next it is a problem. The next it is your part 4. There you people are having the first question, A part, write the procedure to convert fractional decimal to binary. So for this it is in page number 19 for you people. You have to mark this procedure. 4 procedures you people are having. Mark the 4 procedures. So remaining B part is a problem. Then part 4 second is a problem, and third is a problem for you people. It will be discussed in the end of this video. So up to this theoretical part, have you all marked? Next we are going to discuss book inside 1 words, 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks. Yes, this is yours book, second lesson. Okay, wow? Yes, first line you people are having introduction. The term data comes from the word datum. Okay, wow? So they have discussed few example for you people. Yes, below you are having the value assigned to the 5 different variables. Here you should not mention the term 5. Okay, wow? Mark the 2 lines. It is for your book back first question. So similarly, you people come to this side. To this side, you people are having what? Bits. What is the expansion for bits? It is your binary digit. Next, you people have to mark for extra question. A bit is the shortest form. What is a bit? Next one, nibble. Next one, byte. And next one, word length. So these and all you people mark it for your extra 2-mark question. And next you people come. Yes, go through this tabular column. This is your 1-word question. You people have to go through this one. It is for your 1-word question. Kilo, mega, giga, tera, peta, zia, zeta, yoto. Next you people are having the expansion for ASCII. Note it down. So the next, the range of ASCII values are also given for you people. Both for the lowercase and next for your uppercase. Each and everything you people have to underline this one. There is a possibility for you people to have this one for your 1 words. Similarly, read the do you know also. Next, you people are having different types of number system. This is a figuratical representation. Yes, here only you people are having the book bag radix definition. Starting from here, number till this one. You people have to write the example. Yes, next you people are having the decimal number system, and to this side you people are having the octal number system. So each and next second you people are having the binary number system. Each and everything are discussed along with the example for you people. Individually you people will be asked this one, that is write about binary number system. Otherwise you can have a question like write about hexadecimal number system. So each and everything you people can have it for 3 mark. 3 mark means you people must write the example also. Like this you people write any example. Next you people are going to have the conversion tabular column. Okay, wow. And next here you people are having something now workshop. You people solve this one. You people have to do it in your book. So later we can verify the answer. You people have to solve it in your book by using your pencil. Next you people are having number system conversion. Yes, here you people are having each and every method. First one, it is your decimal to binary conversion. Method 1. You people mark it. It is an extra question for you. Okay, wow. Next you people are having sum of powers of 2. Here you are having this one. Mark it. To the next side you are having decimal to octal conversion. Next it is your decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Next you are having conversion of fractional decimal to binary. Already it is a book back. To this side you people are having binary to decimal conversion. Mark the steps. There is a possibility for asking these and all. The next you people are having another one, that is your binary to octal conversion. Yes, mark each and every steps also. Okay, wow. Here you are having one thing, that is your octal to binary conversion. To this side you are having octal to decimal conversion. Go through the steps. Next you people are having hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Here you people are having 4 steps explained along with the example for you. And to this side you people are having binary representation for signed numbers. Here you people have to mark the extra question. The simplest method to represent negative numbers is called signed magnitude. Mark that one. Then next it is an extra 2 mark question. Here also is a sign bit or a parity bit. Mark it is for an extra 2 mark question. The number of numbers are represented in different form. What are they? That is your 1's complement, 2's complement, sign magnitude representation. Mark that one. Next you people are having the sign magnitude representation. Next only you people will be having your 1's complement and 2's complement. Here you are having no 1's complement representation. Next you will be, yes, here you are having a workshop. Finish this. Okay, finish this in yours. Next you people are having the binary arithmetic. That is your binary addition. So everything and all we have already discussed. Okay, along with an example it is discussed here for you people. Next you people are having a binary subtraction. It's your binary subtraction. So this one you people have to solve it in your note. Solve it. So you people see here in this problem you are having -2 minus -6. What the problem will be for you people? -2 is a one number. Another number is minus will be changed into plus for you. So another number is +6 for you. Okay, try to solve this problem. And next you people are having another one 5 mark question. It is representing characters in memory. It is representing characters in memory. It is another extra 5 mark question. It is another extra 5 mark question. Till ISC here you are having till Unicode you people have to mark along with the introduction. These and all you have to write, and for each and everything here explanations given here for you people. Mark everything. It is an extra 5 mark question. Yes, next is sequence of tabular columns only you people will be having. So here just have a glance over it. Just you people read it, that's all. So clear with what else we have marked inside. Similarly, people have a glance over the points to remember and glossary. So clear with what else we have discussed. That is your book inside. Yes, by now we are going to discuss the book back problems. That is your part 2, third problem. That is your convert 46 to the base 10 into a binary number. How you people have to proceed? Yes, you have to do repeated division by 2. Yes, like this it will be going on. 2 1s are again 1, remainder 1. 2 5s are 10 and the remainder is 1. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. And 2 1, and here it is your answer. In this order only you people have to write it. What it is for you? Yes, here the answer you people have to take it and write. Base 10 it is equal to 1 0 1 0 to the base 2. So clear with this one. It is your part 2, third problem. And next we are going to see part 3, third problem. What it is? Convert 150, that is 150, to the base 10 into a binary. Then convert that binary number to octal. Then you people are going to convert the binary number to octal. So go on. It is your part 3, third problem. 150 to the base 10. First what you people have to do? You have to convert this one to a binary number. How? Yes, repeated division by 2. Yes, what it is for you? Yes, 75 0. Yes, 37 you will be having 1. Yes, 2 you will be having. Yes, remainder 1. 2 9s are, so remainder 0. 2 4s are 8, remainder 1. 2 2s are, remainder 0. 2 1s are. Yes, in this way only you will have to write the answer. So clear with this way how I have converted a decimal number into a binary number. Yes, next we are going to convert this binary number. What the answer you people have got? That one to a octal number. First we can take it and write this value. That is 1001 0110. Okay, ma? It is your binary. Now you are going to convert this binary number to a what number you are going to convert? You are going to convert to a octal. Octal means it is a base 8. For that, what do you people have to do? You have to split this one. Split this one into 3. Yes, see here. So I have written, now we are going to splitting it. 0, 1, 0. Split it. 0, 1. And the top, it is a shortcut form. And the top, what do you people have to write? 4, 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. So it is 1 and 2. For 4, you are not having anything. So while writing it, so do it neatly with enough space. Then only it will be easy for you people to go on or understand with the problems. So what do you people have to do? You have to add the numbers for the values 1. So top for this one, you are having the value 2. For this one, you are having 4. Add this one, it is 6. Here 1. For 1, the top you are having the value 2. Here 1, you are having the value 2. So write it as. So what is the answer for you? It is 226 to the base 8. Okay, wow. This is the value, octal value for that number that we have discussed. Clear with this problem? So by now we have finished 2 problems. That is the part 2 third problem and part 3 third problem. Now we are going to see the next one. It is your part 3 fifth problem. Part 3 fifth problem. So in that you people are having 2 parts. Yes, add. Your first one, it is your part 3 fifth problem. You are going to add. In that you are having 2 problem. First one, it is your A. What it is? Minus 22 to the base 10 plus 15 to the base 10 to the base 10. Now we can see how to proceed with one. It is your binary addition. You people already know. Just I am going to write it. Okay, wow. Yes. What is the binary form for this one? While writing itself, write neatly, then only it will be easy for you people to understand. Next, you people have to find out the ones complement. Yes, it is your negative number. So 0 to 1. Next, it is your positive number. So no problem. Yes, next it is your 2's complement. What do you have to do here? You have to add 1. So 1 is 10. 1. 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Like this only you will be getting. This one, no change. Next you people have to add. So 3 ones, 1. Yes, this is your answer. So this is your answer. So given number, it's your binary form, it's your ones complement, and this one is your two's complement. So this is the way how you people will be getting the answer for this problem. That is your part 3, fifth one, A part. Okay, well, minus 22 plus 15. So this is your answer. Yes, clear with this one? Yes, next we can see the next one, that is B part. It is 20 to the base 10 plus 25. So both are positive number for you. So very easy. Just you people have to go on to find out the binary equivalent. For 20, you will be having this one. And for 25, you will be having this one. So you people know how to find out this one. So only myself is directly writing the answer here. Just you have to add. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. Yes, this is yours. So take the problem and write it down. How? 20 to the base 10 plus base 10. Don't forget, do it with the 8-bit itself. So you can think only 2 zeros only we are having, just neglect it. No need, write as it is. Okay, wow. So clear with this one? Yes, next we are going to see the next problem. It is your Roman letter 4, the first one, B part. Roman letter 4, first one, B part. What it is for you? A part is a theoretical part. Okay, wow. So it is your B part, that is your convert 98.46 to the base 10 to binary. So Roman letter 4, B part, 98.46 to the base 10. Yes, here you people are having a decimal part and a binary part. Yes, we can see. First we can go on with the what part we can see. Yes, you can have the binary part first. That is your decimal part. That is the digits after the point. 0.46. What do you people have to do? You have to multiply. Here what you people will be getting? 092. Just consider this alone. So only writing 0 here. Next you have to go on with 0.92 into 2. What it is for you? 1.84. 1. Okay, va? 0.84 into 2. What it is for you? 1.68. To this side you people have to consider this number, and to the left side you have to take this decimal point. 2. What it is for you? 1.36. 1. So you people know when to stop it. Yes, if the same number is repeated, you people have to stop it. Otherwise it will be going on for you. Otherwise what you people can do, since it is going on for you by now, this problem it will be going on. So what you people can do? Yes, just for a 5 digit you people can perform this one, and then you people can stop it. So here I am stopping this for you. Here now I am stopping this just for 7 digits. Point after the point we are going to have the 7 digits by now. That's all. Next we can go on with a repeated division for 98. What is the way you people? Yes, 2 4s are 8, 1s are, so remainder is 0. 2 2s are, 2 4s are 8, remainder 1. 12. Yes, clear? Yes, from this bottom you people have to write. What is the answer you people will be getting? Yes, you have to take that problem and write it here. 98.46 to the base 10. It is equal to, first you have for equivalent for 98. What it is? 110010 point here. How you people have to write? From the beginning. That is from here. For this one you have to write it from here to here. For this one you have to write it from the top to bottom. 01111010. Like this you people have to write, and it is base 2 for you. So clear with this one? How I have finished this one? That is your Roman letter 4 B part. Okay, 98.46 to the base 10. So clear with this one? Yes, next we can see the second problem. Part 4, second one. What is the question? Yes, A. Here you are having two problems. A, that is A and B. A is minus 98. What is the problem? Here you have to find the 1's complement and 2's complement for the following decimal number. First one is minus 98. First you people have to write the 1's complement as usual. First you have to write the given number. What it is? Minus 98. Next, it is your binary form. While writing itself, you people write it as 8-bit. Okay, va? What it is? Minus 98, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, va? So next it is your 1's complement. What is the 1's complement for you? See, it is a negative number. Don't forget. At last, negative number means 1's complement. What do you people have to do? You have to change 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So 0 it is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay, va? Next it is your 2's complement. For 2's complement, what do you people have to do? Yes, at last you people have to add 1. What it is? 0, 1. Remaining as itself. Yes. How you people have to take it on right? Answer. 1's complement. 1 0 0 1 0 1 to the base. Next one, 2's complement. Yes, this is the way how you people have to write the answer. And next it is your B part. It is minus 135. How you people have to proceed? Yes, as usual, first given number you people have to write it out. That is your minus 135. Next you people have to write the binary form. So here I have to go on with the next itself. You people go on. Okay, va? Do it neatly. Binary form. What you people will be getting? For 135, it is 1, 4 zeros, 1, 1, 1. Next, you are going for the ones complement. Don't forget, it is a negative number. Negative number. So, okay, va? Next, you people are going to have the twos complement. What do you people have to do? Yes, you have to add 1 here. 1, 0, 0. So, clear? Just for your understanding, I am putting here 1 and later I am rubbing it off. Okay, va? Yes, this is the answer you people will be getting for minus 135. So, clear with this one. That is your part 4, second problem, minus 98, and for minus 135. Clear? Yes, next we are going to do the next one. That is your part 4, third problem. Here what you people are going to do means, yes, here you people are going to add and subtract. Very easy problem. Okay, va? A part you are going to add. What is the problem for you? 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0, 2 to the base 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Yes. Do it neatly with enough space. Then only it will be easy for you people. Yes. You are going to add it. 0 plus 1, 1. It is 1, 0. Here carry 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is your answer. Okay, va? Next problem. It is your B part. What is the problem for you? 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 2. Yes, this is your problem. Take it and write it off neatly. It is your subtraction. Yes, 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Here 1, you are 0 you are having. You are going to borrow. So it is 1. Again it is, you are going to borrow. It is 1. This is your answer. You people have to take it and write it down neatly. So clear with this one. So by this we have discussed all the book back problems. By now we have completed all the book back questions. Then we have completed all the book in extra questions, and similarly by the next we have complete workout all the book back problems. So clear with the topics. Have you all marked everything clearly? Yes. Thank you, students.